Hello everyone, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a crate system that is very efficient and pretty easy to set up. And then once you've set up, it is very easy to add items and remove items from crate, and also it does not require you to place an item inside like a chest or thing to like ignite, like start the crate thing. So I'm just gonna demonstrate this. Let me go to /game mode. See, survival. Just one heart, but it's like this. And then I just added that sound. I don't know, just a random sound. But there is a few commands. /game mode. See, and there is one scoreboard. It is just for the animation, which if you guys don't want to, you guys don't need to. As you guys can see, this thing, scoreboard, and that works. But I guess the scoreboard you guys need it because, I mean, you guys are not going to be configuring like all of this. So, yeah, let me show you guys the commands now. First, there is an armor stand here. So if you give this armor stand anything else, like a pearl or a crate key, it will not equip. But if you give it a crate key like this, it will get it. And also, make sure that there is no way they can get the item that you guys use as the crate key, because then they can just abuse that. So, for my example, I just chose to use tripwire hook, and I'm just gonna disable the way to craft tripwire hooks. So the only way to create these are gonna be by like buying from the shop if you guys have it, or just begging admins. So now let me just get the commands here. So first, all you gotta do is summon an armor stand like right on top of the block that you're gonna use as the crate. But just use the respawn anchor, which is in the inventory right here. And then place an armor stand, or no, just don't place an armor stand. Just let me break this. Okay. Now stand on top of your block, which is the crate block, and then type /summon armor underscore stand, and then your exact coordinates. No, just type tilde, two tildes, -1, and then tilde, and then two more tildes, and then type name, and then this thing, which is like right here, space, and then that again. And there you go. It should say equipped when you like hover over, or like hover your mouse or cursor over the crate. So here are the commands now. It's gonna affect like instant health, so that anyone in survival mode cannot destroy. Fire resistance, so that they can't destroy, of course. And then invisibility, so they can't see that's an armor stand. It will be ugly. And then this one is just setting block destroy. So when this barrel gets cloned right here, it needs to destroy this block. So all it's gonna do, this one is gonna destroy the block in this coordinates right here. So if you guys don't know, here's how to get the coordinates to show. Just go to settings menu, and then settings, and then it should be in the game menu right here saying show coordinates. Just enable that. If you guys didn't know, I'm just gonna go over that. So yeah, just destroy, make sure it's set block your coordinates, air destroy, and also repeat always active. And then this one is chain conditional always active, and make sure to turn these previous outputs off, because they don't do a lot of lag, but they can do a bit lag, and like a lot of them can do a lot of lag. And then right here, all you gotta do is type kill at e name equal barrel, make sure it's capitalized, BARREL, comma type equal item. Make sure you guys are copying commands exactly like how it is, or else it will not work. And now here's the next commands. And I forgot if some of you guys are like extremely new to commands. Make sure that this arrow right here, as you guys can see, it's pointing that way, is pointing to this chained command block, and this arrow is pointing the same direction as this command block. That is purple, and this one is green, because it has to stay facing the same direction. And then the purple ones do not need to. They can face anywhere they want, but unless you're trying to chain them. Next you gotta do is, all you gotta do is type /scoreboard objectives add crate dummy, and then just click enter. But it already exists for me, but it'll just work for you guys. And here's the next command. It is execute at a score is equal 5, and then just copy it. Just set block, and then but this coordinates right here is the exact location of the crate. So it's not on top, like not here, but like the crates. So all you guys gotta do is just copy this whole entire number and just paste it in there, but just one block down, like right here. That's the coordinates you guys will put in. And make sure to pause the video if I'm going too fast. But here's the rest. This is just the animation. It's not, so these commands you guys don't need to do it, but they're just for like the fun of it, just animation. But you guys gotta do this one, like these 3. Even though this one is an animation, it's fine. Because it's chained, so it'll need it. You'll need it. See this purple command block? It's facing these 2 chained command blocks and all facing that direction, like same direction. That's the command. And here's the command for this. And lastly, it's just a play sound with a slight pitch. That's just going to change the sound. And then this one right here is just testing if the armor stand that we just put, that I just deleted of course, has an item that is tripwire hook. And then it will run scoreboard players set at P R equal 10 crate 5. So within the radius of 10. / tag at a has item equal, yeah, it wouldn't work. Or you guys can just add a dado to this if you guys like really know that, but if not, just forget that. And here's the next one. So yeah, like I said, this one is chained, and it's only this one and this one that needs to be chained, not this one. This one is chained with this one right here. It's only these 2. And now this one, so we looked at that one, now this one is just replacing the armor stand's main hand with air. So just clearing it. And then this one right here is just killing the armor stand, that is, for the crates, so that they can't, like, open it a million times. And there's a cooldown for it, of course. And then this one is just removing it. And this one actually has a tick delay. It's set to 20. All you guys gotta do is type 20 in there, and that's all. It's repeat, always active, and it's just removing scores from 0 to 5. There's 2 dots right there, and do not forget that. And then this one is just resetting anybody's crate scores that are less than 0, chained to this command block right here, which is just summoning the armor stand back right there. And yeah, we went over these. Now that's all, actually. That was pretty easy, I guess. Now let me just build these things back again. / summon armor stand. Done. So now you guys are wondering, okay, well, how do I add items to it so that players can get them randomly? So the command block that is right here just decides which one of these armor stands with the loot inside, like this barrel inside, goes there. So you guys can, of course, add millions of items in here as much as it fits in that barrel. So all you guys gotta do is get an anvil and an armor stand and a name tag. So, anvil and a name tag and an armor stand right there. Place it, put the name tag in, and name it Crate. That's all. And now just place the armor stands. There you go. And then just name them. Name each of them Crate. And then build 1, 2, 3 blocks up. And then put barrels 2 blocks on top of, like 1 block actually. 1 block on top of the armor stands. So that they're exactly like this, as you guys can see. And then just put anything inside these barrels that players can get by using a crate. Then you guys can also just not only just put a few armor stands, you guys can put millions of them, but make sure to keep it under like 100 armor stands or at least 200, at max 200 actually, because it is going to be a lot laggy if there is a lot of armor stands and there is commands already, but these are not going to lag much. But if you guys do put like 100 armor stands, it is going to lag a bit, but it's not going to lag that much. And then make sure to put barrels on top with loot inside. And you guys do not need to display it, it's fine. And yeah, that's all. Just get a key and rename it on an anvil, naming it Crate Key or anything you guys want, and just, yeah, you guys can use it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye all.